Magandang hapon po ng Monday, November 27, 2023. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 PM digit games na 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 PM result ngayong hapon ng Monday, November 27, 2023. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 5 PM. 3D Lotto 5 PM result ngayong hapon ng November 27, 2023 Monday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5 PM. 'See you again later for 9 PM result of Grand Lotto 655, Mega Lotto 645, 4D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for Monday, November 27, 2023. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Mega Lotto 645 is 42 million pesos and Grand Lotto 655 jackpot price estimates is 29.7 million pesos for November 27, 2023, Monday. Thank you for watching this 5 PM video for Monday, November 27, 2023. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.